My first year attempting to save chive seeds. There's probably going to be seeds spreading all over the yard next year because I didn't pick them before they shattered. I got them when they looked like, come on, focus, this on the plant. They were already dried out and the seeds were falling out. Probably want to pick them when they're starting to shatter next year instead. I'm going to be pulling out chives all over the yard next year. I removed all of these stems from the flower heads, leaving only the seed pods. I'm just crushing them right now, and I'm going to pass these through a kitchen strainer to filter out all of the larger pieces, and then winnow the seeds afterwards. Guess I'll show you what it would. It's been an hour and a half already, and I still haven't finished winnowing all of the chaff out. I mean, sifting the chaff out. Right now I'm winnowing it by blowing it. Like that. Aaron Thatcher on Planting Freedom, a YouTube channel, has better instructions on winnowing. You'll probably see his video. Right now I'm just carefully blowing the lightweight chaff off from the heavier seeds. I'll show you. An hour of winnowing, all I have left is a bunch of twigs and viable seeds. At this point, I'm going to try and use a finer grate sieve than this one, and we'll see what results. After only 15 minutes of sifting, now I've quickly reached a point where it's no longer practical to sift anymore, and I'm going to have to hand pick out the remaining debris. This may or may not happen depending on which kind of seeds you're working with and how you extracted them. I'll record. I'm sure you saw at the beginning of the video how much chaff I had, and this is how much seed I had left over. Depending on how much your chive flowers got pollinated, you may have less or more seeds. For an hour of hand picking out the rest of the debris from the seeds, I've reached a point where it's no longer practical to keep cleaning the seeds out this way. It's a completely optional step. I only do this because I share the seeds with other people. So you can go ahead and omit it. Sorry for the crappy editing. I guess you can subscribe if you like it. Whatever. Good night. Goodbye. Get lost.